Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into how to download the 1xBet app on iPhone in Myanmar. So let's dive right into the steps. First up, open the App Store. Once you're in, type 1xBet into the search bar. If the app doesn't appear, don't worry. Just head back to your home screen and open the Settings app. From there, navigate to your Apple ID and select Media and Purchases. Next, tap on View Account from the pop-up menu. Now, select Country Region and then hit Change Country or Region. Scroll down the list and choose Nepal as your region, then agree to the terms and conditions. If you're prompted to add a payment method, you can simply select the None option. After that, fill in your billing details if needed, including your street address, city, country, postcode, and phone number. Once all the required fields are complete, tap Next. Now, head back to the App Store on your iOS device and search for the 1xBet app once more. Voila! It should now be available. Just tap Get next to the app to start downloading. Once the download finishes, tap Open to launch the app. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip to enhance your experience with the 1xBet app. After installing, go ahead and select Registration. Make sure to enter all your details and include your promo code in the designated section. This will grant you an incredible 300% bonus on your deposit. For example, if you deposit $10, you'll receive an extra $30 as a bonus. How awesome is that? Don't miss out. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notifications about our latest videos. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.